Hello students, everyone welcome back to your online classes and today's topic is Renowned Actors Around the World. Chapter 41 page number 57. So these are the famous actors around the world. Identify the world famous actors in the images given below and write their names in the space provided below. So by reading their identification, so you have to recognize the actor's name. Dash means Johnny Depp is one of the most versatile actors of his time and age in Hollywood. In 1987, he shot to stardom with the role of undercover cop Tommy Hanson in the popular TV series 21 Jump Street. One of the popular movies in which he worked is Pirates of the Caribbean: The Curse of the Black Pearl. And number 2 is Arnold Schwarzenegger. So he's an actor with a thick Austrian accent, a quick-talking bodybuilder from a small European village with an almost unpronounceable surname. He is an actor, producer, and director. Okay, Judgment Day, Predator, The Terminator, etc. are his popular movies. So he is Arnold Schwarzenegger. This is Emma Watson. Emma Watson was selected to act in Harry Potter after 8 consistent auditions. The release of Harry Potter and Sorcerer's Stone was her cinematic screen debut. From the age of 6, she knew that she wanted to be an actress. She was trained at the Oxford branch of Stagecoach Theatre Arts. And fourth is the picture of Tom Cruise. He is an American actor and producer. He has received 3 Golden Globe Awards and nomination for 3 Academy Awards. His popular movies include Mission Impossible, The Color of Money, A Few Good Men. He wanted to become a priest, but later he developed an interest in acting. Okay, this is Tom Cruise. He made his debut with a small role in the movie Endless Love. So next is the world of phobia. Okay. So chapter 42, page number 58. So let's read what is phobia. Phobia means a strong, unreasonable and excessive fear from a particular thing or situation. Match the following correctly. This is phobia and fear of. So number 1 is called hydrophobia. So that is related with the fear of water. 2 is aerophobia, that is flying. 3 acrophobia, that is you are afraid of the heights. 4 this is achlophobia, that is you are afraid in darkness. 6 is heliophobia, that is sunlight. 7 is thermophobia, that is heat. 8 is claustrophobia, that is closed space. 9 is toxicophobia, that is you are afraid with poison. 10 is hemophobia, that is you are afraid to see the blood. So do you have any phobia? So if you have any other phobia than this, you can write here. So next is Animal Planet. Fill in the blanks to know the animals. Number 1, it can lick inside its ear with its long tongue. Like humans, it has 7 bones in its neck. So what is this? This is giraffe. 2, they are poisonous reptiles and have ears located inside their head. Okay. They smell with their tongues and see through their eyelids, that is snakes. 3, they look like long-legged dog with reddish-brown mane which stands erect when they sense danger. They are the largest wild canine in the world and can stand about a meter tall, that is maned wolf. 4, in Somali it means giraffe-necked antelope. It resembles a miniature giraffe and is generally found in woody or desert-like areas. It can go on without drinking water throughout its life. So what is this? This is Gerenuk. 5. It is similar to the beluga whale but is darker in color. So you can see here it's like similar like a whale. It has a flexible neck. Its round head extends beyond its facial features and it lacks a beak. It needs air every 2.5 minutes so can be seen at the surface often. So that is Irrawaddy dolphin. So what is this? This is Irrawaddy dolphin. 6. It is a relatively large rodent with long hair like ears. It looks like a giant rabbit and is generally found in the arid regions of Argentina and Patagonia. It is a herbivore. So what is it? So this is Patagonian mara. So next topic is endangered species. Okay. The irrational killing and hunting of animals and deforestation have brought several species of plants and animals on the verge of extinction. Such animals and plants are called endangered, which means they are either disappearing fast or have a very small population. So endangered means these animals, okay, you can see here these animals either they are disappearing, okay, disappearing fast, or they have very small population. Read the description against each picture given below and identify these endangered animals and plants. So this is the picture of snow leopard. These snow leopards are found in the mountains of Central Asia and in the Indian subcontinent. They cannot roar, they are well adapted to the cold environment. So this snow leopard we can find in the mountains of Central Asia and in the Indian subcontinent. And this snow leopard does not roar and they are well adapted to the cold environment too. It is bear-like mammal found in the bamboo forest of the mountains of China. So it is similar like a bear. Its black and white coat along with bulky bodies make it attractive. This is what? This is giant panda. These are the largest and the most powerful of the apes and found in equatorial Africa. They are called what? Gorilla. 4. This is a big animal found in the ice-cold regions of Canada and Alaska. It has a thick white coat for which it is hunted. It is the polar bear. This is the member of the cat family. So it is found in the thick bamboo forest. Its name starts with the name of an Indian state. So what is this? This is Bengal tiger. These birds are found in the forest of North America and are on the verge of extinction. That is Siberian crane. So students, whatever the notes I am sending to you, please try to copy in your book. Okay. Thank you students.